I don't know if they will sit. Come here. Sit. That's your water. Can you not reach that because you're too short? Here's your water, Charlie. Okay, you guys, you have to sit. What did you do? Why'd you drop that? Cook the chicken. That's not chicken. Hey, can you try this? Do you like it? Whoops. Hey! Look, we're training. I'm training them to eat on this table. Hey! Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the prep work. I'm making their dessert and I got some low-fat yogurt, which I heard they can have. Oh, I thought this was plain. I guess it's strawberry. Pooey. Anyways, they love peanut butter, so I got a natural form of peanut butter, and there are some that aren't good for dogs, so make sure you check that out. I'm gonna do half banana, a little bit of peanut butter on one of these, which now it's weird because it's strawberry and not plain. Let's put this down, my friend. We're gonna try to blend it. If it doesn't work, we'll add water. I added some water. How cute are they in their little house? It's filming day. Right now, I forgot to share my process. Let's do a taste test to make sure they'll like it. Hey, can you try this? Do you like it? I guess that's a yes. Charlie, taste test. Okay. As for the entree, I'm just steaming the veggies so they're softer and they're all done. So I'm making brown rice because it's a healthier alternative. And we're just gonna boil it. It's super easy peasy. As for sweet potatoes, these are Korean sweet potatoes. You just slice them up and microwave it for like 5 minutes or just until it gets soft. And then we're gonna mash them up. Okay, it's a little bit drier than I would want. Just add some water. That's the solution to today's problems. Add water. Cook the chicken. That's not chicken. The beef. The rice is ready. Whoops. Not good at filming with one hand. You don't want to season it if you're gonna feed your dog, obviously. It's not art if it's not messy. You guys, I was literally focused on the meat that I forgot about the rice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this up with their veggies and some of the gravy that I made and some protein and give it to her for her birthday tomorrow. Please don't steal each other's. There you go. Peaches, you need to eat on the table. Charlie, come on, eat your little potato. Okay, she decided to just eat on the floor. Peaches, are you gonna eat his too? That is so not nice. I guess, I mean, it's your birthday tomorrow, so. I don't know what's happening. Come on. Come on. Good. Come here. Sit. Good. Here you go. You love it. That makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, you are making that rug all dirty. That is just... Eat all your veggies. Don't eat Charlie's, Peaches. Do you love it? Do you love it, Peaches? You're like, where's more? Peaches, eat your... Ooh, yay, veggies. Here. Oh, can you not reach that? There you go. Peaches! That's not nice. He can't get it. He can't get it. Okay. You're so silly. You're lucky it's your birthday meal. For Charlie. Okay. I'm gonna give you a little bit more, okay? Come here. Come on. Sit. Sit. Peaches, sit. Okay. You are so crazy. Hey, stop. Oh my gosh. That is not nice. Isn't that sad? I need to give Charlie some more food. Are you hungry? Because she ate all your food, you're hungry. Okay. Come on. We got a little treat. Okay. So first we have some deliciously cut watermelon squares. I think they're having trouble reaching it because their legs are short. See, they can do it. Short people can do it too. Why, Charlie? Why? Okay, I'm gonna give you the rest outside because you guys eat like dogs. Like, what? We have doggy ice cream. I don't know if you can reach it, but come on. Oh, you cannot reach it. Are you trying to steal it? Did you already eat all yours? Oh, Peaches, your butt is on the camera. That is not acceptable. Just kidding. It's a heart and it's so cute. Are you almost done? Oh, she wiped it clean. So yummers. Hi. How was that? Was that yummy? Was that yummy? Look at the camera. Say bye. Okay.